Yo, it's here. My very first ever CGC submission just came back today. I'm a little worried, I'm not gonna lie. You know, I submitted this back in like the second week of January. So I just took 10 books, sent them straight out. I didn't press them, I didn't clean them. So like fingers crossed that I get at least a 9.8 in a few of them. I doubt it's gonna be 9.8 in all of them, but I mean, live and learn, right? Let's get to it. I'm not gonna look at these. I'm basically gonna open these up and show you guys the grade. Like we'll see it at the same time, like everybody else does online. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. There goes the pack list. Ooh, I'm excited, but okay. I don't know what book it is, but I saw a 9.8. All right, so this is Spider-Verse #1, the Walmart variant edition. 9.8. Oh shit! Yo, what's up? All right. Next one. I think they're all facing. All right, it's another Spider-Verse #1. Walmart edition. 9.8. Oh shit! Woohoo! Look at how sweet that looks, baby. I don't know if you could. Then you get so much glare. There we go. Oh man, let's go. So what's this one? Okay, Thor #1. And 9.6. All right, you know, that's doable. But like I said, I knew a lot of them weren't gonna come back 9.8. I'm surprised those did. But another Spider-Verse #1. 9.6. All right, 9.6. It says it right here. Spider-Verse #1, Marvel Comics, Walmart edition, second printing. I thought it would say something like first cover appearance, but it didn't. All right, let's see. Strange Academy #1. 9.8. Woo! Yeah, my bad. Hell yeah! Look at that. Oh, that's so sweet. All right, we got, let me see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 5 more to go. I know there's some more Strange Academies, some Venoms. Let's see. Strange Academy #1. 9.8. Hey, that's what's up. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, this is way more fun than I thought it was gonna be. I knew it was gonna be fun, but this is way more fun. Right. Venom #25. 9.8. That's what's up. Really? They gave this a 9.8? I mean, I'll take it, but there's some like, I don't know if you can see it right there. Oh, or that. The corner there, but I don't know. I'll take it. I'm happy. All right. Next one up. Venom 25. 9.8. That's what up. That's what's up. Put it back in the bag. All right, I think this is another Thor. No, another Strange Academy. Come on, let's go. 9.8, 9.8, 9.8. 9.8! Hell yeah! That's what I'm talking about. All right. Oh, back in the bag. I'm so hyped. I think I got one left. Let's see what it is. I forgot what it is. Spider-Verse. Oh, and I lifted up. 9.8! Yeah! My bad, guys. 9.8 Spider-Verse. Yo! Alright, guys, man. Thank you so much for joining me on my very first CGC unboxing. I'm planning to do many, many more. I have a bunch up there that I'm about to send off. But these I'm going to get clean and pressed. I'm definitely not going to take a chance. I am so surprised that all these books, except two, got 9.8. The fact that, and these are all Walmart, you know, Walmart books in those Walmart packs. But, yo, I'm hyped. I'm probably going to keep one, and I'm going to sell the rest. But if you like the video, smash that like button. If you want to see more unboxing, CGC unboxings, write a comment below. Like I said, I'm probably going to get a few more. All right, man. That's all I got. Peace.